I'm here with my Bonne Maman Advent Calendar for 2022, and today is day 1. So let's open day 1, which is up here. Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem. Here's the door for day 1. Let's see what we get for day 1. This is rhubarb strawberry spread. I love those flavors. This is what the fruit spread looks like. It's a very nice color. Looks exactly like you would expect strawberry rhubarb spread to look like. It's a very nice thick texture. Wow, that is so good. Super, super sweet. Like crazy sweet, but it's a really nice balance of rhubarb and strawberries. Sometimes I've had strawberry rhubarb jam in the past where you don't really even taste the rhubarb, but that's not the case here. The rhubarb flavor is very nicely balanced with the strawberry flavor. So I'm definitely going to enjoy this. I have my adorable little Spode Christmas bowl, and I am going to have some farmer's cheese. If you've never had farmer's cheese, some people just call it farmer cheese. It is a dry curd cottage cheese. It's very good for digestion. And what I like to do is add a spoonful of homemade yogurt. So I have a quart-sized jar of homemade yogurt. I just made it the other day, and I ferment it for 24 hours. So the probiotic content is super high, and there's no sugar left in the yogurt. All of the lactose has been, I don't know if it's actually fermented or there's a special term for it, but it's all been converted. What I like to do is I like to mix the yogurt into the farmer's cheese, and then this makes like a very high probiotic cottage cheese, because regular cottage cheese does have more liquid to it, and the farmer's cheese is a dry curd cottage cheese. When I was growing up, my grandmother taught me to add some jam or jelly to cottage cheese and mix it in. Obviously, you can just do this with regular yogurt, and it tastes really good that way. So I've mixed the fruit spread into my farmer's cheese and yogurt, and this is how I am going to be enjoying my fruit spread today. I'm going to have strawberry rhubarb farmer's cheese, and this makes a nice snack or a part of a meal. It makes a nice part of a breakfast, for example. That's very good. I just added the rest of what was in the little jar. I was afraid it was going to be too sweet if I added the whole thing, but it's not, because the yogurt has a nice tanginess to it, and then the farmer's cheese is more savory, so it all balances itself out really nicely. Yeah, it's very good using that entire little jar. It's probably not the prettiest thing to look at, but it does taste really good. And so that is day 1 of my Bonne Maman Advent Calendar for 2022. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe if you'd like to find out what's in all of the other days of this Advent Calendar.